Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode at this cool blank here, and here's what this is a rear window wiper that's used to replace on your car. If you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for the one that we got right here is a 12-inch that's used for a rear view window. And right here they mentioned how the wiper can be adapted for all these different weather, so it should be fine for rain, dust, fog, and snow. And in the back part right here they show you guys how to actually replace it. So obviously when you guys do purchase this blade, you do want to make sure to do the right measurement to make sure to have the correct one for your car. If you guys don't have the correct one, they probably will not work. But one right now open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So once you guys do take it out, this is what the inside looks like. So right here we do have the protection for you to take out when you guys do get it. So it's very important for you to take this out before you guys do install it. And then for this part right here is where you guys want to insert it in. And the way how to design the actual blade itself is actually very bendable. So that way when you guys do wipe it, it can help you guys bend a little bit to make sure it's clean when you guys do use the blade. So once you guys remove it, this is what the blade looks like. So obviously we won't know the result until we do install it. So what I'll do right now is to install it and show you guys how it does work and how to install it. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so what we're doing now is place the back window shield wiper to show you guys how to do it. So let's take off the blades first. So depending on what car you guys do use, this is how I do move this one. Alright, just like that, very easy and very simple. And now you can put a new one. Alright, so now we can actually install it. So it's a snap on option, you just want to snap it on, just like that, very easily. And I'll pull out the yellow part. And put it down. It's all set. Alright, so this actually looks like before. So we put on a new wiper plate. Let me actually use it and show you guys how well it does work with the new one. Alright, so you can see how it actually works pretty well after we do use it. You can see how much cleaner it is compared to all the dust and the dirt that we have on the car. Welcome back guys. So now I saw a quick test apart and definitely actually does work and she worked quite well. If you can see the whole installation process didn't take that long. Once you guys take out the old one, you're gonna put the new one in. It's actually very easy for you to remove it and put a new one for the back one compared to the front one. I think the back one's actually much more easier because it's only one blade and you guys can actually hold it to actually replace it. Compared to the front one, it's not as easy, but it is still pretty easy when you guys install the front one. But we see how once we do install it, the product definitely works really well and there's no issue with it when we do use it. So if it's time for you guys to replace your current wiper blade for your car, then you probably want to invest in the new ones. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality replacement wiper blade for a rear view window in the back, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.